I think somebody's at the door. Chill, you sit right there. I'ma answer that. Cause when I finish popping, ain't nobody answer back.
What you doing?
Possible morning showers Monday. Right now it's 16 and that's latest on Smooth 91.5.
Every Lexus gives you the luxury of choice. Like the luxury to choose electric for short trips or hybrid for long ones in a Lexus plug-in hybrid. Book your test drive of the plug-in hybrid RX 450h Plus and experience the combination of...
Good idea. I'll see you again, right?
No fucking blinkers, you What are you doing? You fucking idiot! Down there.
I don't think it's right having an entrance and an exit so close to each other. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Can't believe there's no fucking lights there to slow them down. Like, no wonder it fucking banks up here.
Yeah, well that's why I stay on that side. So I'm past all these guys, so I'm past the entrance.
It's fucking...
See, now I left a gap for him to get in.
Yeah, you want to get that one extra car in front, yeah.
Wait, I was leaving a gap for him to come in. Ah, mate. Scotty?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right on Elizabeth Street. Then use the left 2 lanes to turn left on Liverpool. Then use the left 2 lanes to turn left on Liverpool Street. One-way camera ahead. Just keep going, keep going.
Keep going, mate. What's your problem?
Mommy.
What's your problem?
Keep driving, keep driving.
What the fuck?
Keep driving.
Just keep moving. Are you too, mate?
Mim, keep driving. Keep driving.
Fuck off.
Keep driving.
A few moments later.
Uh-huh.
Good boy. It just top it off if this guy actually went through on a red light. Be fucking. Oh, you have to be serious again. He's at the set of lights now.
Oh.
And he's wanting to turn left. Oh, please do it. Please do it, because you will be featured on Scott's dash cams. That's for sure. Come on, you know you want to do it.
Kids in the e-bike, here we go.
Yeah.
And they go to school.
Well, I should be back in school.
Pisser. Oh my God. Says you're right, you fucking idiot.
That bloke's a Victorian plate.
So I'll spray that on my shoes.
This is oh shit. He's an idiot. He went like that and then he went back like that.
Yeah.
What an idiot.
What an idiot. Your mate. Oh, I should pull it off the dash cam. Fuck hell. Hey, Choco.
Indicator.
Hey. Nice.